Well, ready or not, tomorrow is tax day. And in these turbulent economic times, many of us are trying to keep our finances on track. And today's guest is here to provide simple ways to manage your money. We welcome former corporate banker turned teacher, Jekwenta, Coach K. Primm. Everybody knows you as Coach K, right?
Yeah, Coach K. Yeah.
You have a really interesting background. 15 years at Wells Fargo, and then you made this pivot. Explain to us what led to this place where you are now.
So I was actually fired into freedom. I was pushed out of my comfort zone after dedicating 15 years to Wells Fargo. They terminated me.
Wow.
Because I had a platform where I was actually teaching and educating entrepreneurs how to get grants for their business. So they called me one day and they said, because of the competitive nature of your business, you have two decisions. You can dissolve the business that you have, or you can continue to work here. So you got Coach K.
So you stepped out, bet on yourself. What is the main piece of information that you find yourself repeating a lot to some of your clients? What is the one thing that you try to help people unlearn?
Yeah, so I think the biggest thing is we have to have that mindset shift that, you know, we can't do this. I was that entrepreneur that felt like I couldn't do it, that I couldn't apply for grants, that I couldn't get access to capital for my business. But the moment I shift my mindset and realized that I deserved the money that's out there, and it just took for me to take action and actually execute on the information and the knowledge that's out there, that was the big shift in me and my business. And once you have that mindset shift and you go all in on your dreams and your goal, you will scale your business to 6 to 7 figures.
Okay, so once you shift your mindset, how do you actually secure the bag?
So once you shift your mindset, how you actually secure the bag is I have a 3-step strategy.
Okay.
First thing you do is you have to have the foundation of your business set up the right way. Sometimes we have hobbies and not actually a business.
Okay.
So some people are afraid of structuring and setting up their business the correct way, investing in the LLC, the EIN, the business address. The second thing you want to do is you actually have to find this money. Where are the grants? Where are the opportunities for me as an entrepreneur? So if you're a startup entrepreneur, there are micro grants available for you. Example would be the legacy grant. It's a $1,000 grant to help you start or grow your business. If you're an existing entrepreneur and you've already made some money in your business, but you still need some access to capital to expand, then you have corporations like Amazon and Starbucks that have grants. Or maybe you're the 7-figure entrepreneur and you already have some money, but a little bit more would help you in your business. Government grants, federal grants are available for you. And the third thing is when you're applying for grants, we use a simple strategy. You have to keep it real. Be relatable to the investor, educate them about your business, have an action plan, and then make sure they love your story and love your vision.
Wow, that's a lot
of
good information. And I think that a lot of people, you said it in the beginning, talk themselves out of doing this.
Yeah.
But in this economy, a lot of people are finding themselves where they're trying to figure out what is next for them. And we're seeing a lot of entrepreneurship.
Yeah, I think right now is the best time to actually start a business and grow your business. And you have so many tools like ChatGPT that can help you with setting up your business the correct way. One of our community members, she actually created an ebook using Claude, and she's made 6 figures with this ebook that Claude actually generated for her. So take the ideas that you have in your head, the thoughts that you've had of starting a business, plug it into ChatGPT or AI or whatever AI tool that you're using, and tell it to give you a framework or a game plan to actually make this idea into a reality.
Where should people go if they want to stay in touch with you and get some more gems from you?
I love it. So if you're watching this right now and you're ready to get access to capital for your business, I'm on all social media platforms at It's Coach K, ITSS Coach K. I drop a free grant list. I have free classes where I teach and educate entrepreneurs how to get access to capital for their business.
Coach K, you need to give her a follow. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. This has been amazing.